Hello guys, we want to upgrade the CNC controller of our workshop. So for that, we got this set of boxes. This is the new CNC controller that we're going to use to upgrade our CNC machine. Let's unbox this. Let's start with the first one. This is the air cooling gun. As you can see right here, we have our air cooling gun. So we have two inlets. The first inlet is for air and the next one is for oil or water. And it comes with a tube. This one here is the tool setter for Z height. As you can see right here, with the aviation plug. Okay, so right here you have the MPG for the CNC controller. As you can see right here, this one is different from the one that we've presented in the previous videos. So you can see right here, we have our emergency stop switch. We have this this protecting switch. We don't have it on the other controller, but on the other MPGs. And this one looks a little more solid. The body is made out of a bit of rubber, and the wheel is made out of a more solid material. Well, we're going to explore this in the subsequent videos. So let's move now to the real guy. This is the DDCS Expert, the king of our new setup. So right here you have the controller itself. It is slightly smaller than the DDCS Expert that we presented in one of our previous videos. I'm going to post the link in the description box below. If you have not watched that one yet, you can go there and see what I'm talking about. So it's not as big as the DDCS Expert, but it has most of the functions that I will need for my own machine. So that is the first component, the DDCS Expert. Let's take the next one. We have this breakout board to connect our stepper motors, our spindle, our limit switches, our Z height setter, and all the components that we want to connect to the DDCS Expert to be connected onto this, and then directly configured and then directly connected to the DDCS Expert itself with this cable. This cable right here. Let's open it. So we can see that we have this huge cable here. We just have to plug it. So we just have to plug it here and lock it in place. And then the other end will come behind the controller itself. Okay. So this is how we connect this breakout board to this controller. And then our motors can be connected to the controller through this port. And this is one of the reasons why I bought this controller. I had three options to buy: the DDCS 3.1, the DDCS Expert, which I already bought before and sold already, and the DDCS 4.1. The DDCS Expert has all its ports directly on the controller, which makes it a little bit difficult for me to build the controller in a very clean manner. For that, I decided to go in for something that can go into a box, an enclosed box, and then connects to the controller through this cable and makes the thing to be more flexible for me. So we have our MPG. I also went in for an MPG with a very long cable. This cable is long compared to the other one. The other one is like half the length of this one. So I had some difficulties dragging the MPG to the workspace on the CNC machine. So I made a special customized order where they could add a longer cable for me. So as you can see right here, if I want to connect my MPG to the CNC controller itself, I just have to come here and there is a port labeled MPG. I just plug my controller on it and then I lock it in place. Okay, so we have connected the MPG and connected the breakout board. What we have to do now is this controller has the ability to connect a flash drive directly to it and have access to the G code without the use of a PC or a computer. So I just have to plug this one to one of the USB ports. On this, we have two. We have two USB ports. I can just plug it on any one of them. So we have two possibilities of reading our G code. We can read our G code through a flash, which comes inside the controller itself. So you can see here, you just have to tear it open. We just plug it here. Then we can read our G code directly from here. Or we can connect our CNC control, our laptop or our computer straight to the controller through an Ethernet port, which is located directly behind. So you can see right here, we have an Ethernet port where we can plug in our computer directly to the controller. And then we have this. So I like this because there is also a possibility of directly connecting the MPG through an external port extended straight from the controller to the control box that we're going to design to make our work easy.